Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your loan on GCash. This is going to be a super easy tutorial. You'll just need to follow the steps. The first thing you need to do is to open your GCash app and log into your account. Once you are logged into the right account, you will need to tap Borrow. Once you tap on it, you will then need to tap G Loan. On your G Loan management page, you will be shown your breakdown of dues. So tap Pay for G Loan and then input amount you want to repay and then simply tap Next. Once you click on Next, you can review your repayment amount, and then if you are happy with it, you can simply click on Pay. You will be shown a receipt for the successful repayment of your G loan, and once you receive that, that means that you made the payment and the payment was successful. So basically, this is the only thing you need to do to pay your G loan or GCash loan. Super easy and simple. You'll only need to follow the steps. Make sure that you do have the updated version of the app so you do not face any issues when completing this. So super easy and simple. Just follow the steps and you won't have any issues.